Hi guys, I have another swap reveal, and this is from Monica, and Monica is a new to me crafter. I think she's new in swapping too. So she has her swap right here, which is so stinking cute, and then she has something for her partner and something for me. So I'm gonna open the hostess gift first really quick, just in case it has some stuff in here, and I know it's mine because it has an L on it. This is such a cute bag. Oh my goodness, you guys are so sweet. You do not have to send me anything, but I appreciate it so much. And this says Lisa on it. So let's see. Maybe she gave us some instructions too. Let's see. Oh, this is super sticky. Okay. So we oh my gosh, look how cute. See the world. Oh, this is a super cute card. Oh wow, so cute. And it says great things await. And then there's a little note in here. So it says, Dear Lisa, thank you so much for hosting and the opportunity to participate in the kick butt tutorial. I loved it. I didn't make a second swap, but please accept the vinyl bag with the elf for Lisa as a small token of my appreciation, Monica. So Monica, you totally do not have to make a second swap. Totally fine. I almost never make a second swap for hostesses when I do things too. I usually just give them some crafty goodies because I know some people are going to make one. Oh, look at this. So cute. Fun fact, Chanel is my favorite brand, so I love this so much. You guys see how cute? And then we have some little goodies in here. Oh, cute. So these are like little stickers, and I will open them just in case they're in. Oh, I didn't have to take it. I didn't have to rip the bag topper off, you guys. I could have just left them. Ooh, these are so cute. Ooh, these are pretty. The books, of course. I love the books. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I love these. These are really nice. I wonder if these came from a collection or if these were like bought separately. They're really pretty. They have a very distinct, like, you know, art, minty-ish, you know, look. Ooh, I need some of these. Sticky thumbs. I just did a swap where I used up like 2 packs of those. And then we also have some ink here. Uh-oh, I think I dropped my bag. Posy and Pop ink pads. Nice. I'm trying to get into stamping, so thank you so much. Oh, and speaking of, ooh, look at this. This is nice. Oh, wow, look, you guys, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Thank you so much. And then the last thing that's in this bag is an essential, which is all these, you know, the little travel size things. This one's a nice one. It has a lot of stuff in it. So thank you so much, Monica. You guys totally do not have to like spoil me with presents, but I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. And I love the bag. I'm a bag girl, so that's super nice. Okay, let's open her swap, but first let's take a look at this. And look, her, it says she put like, it says wash bag on the front. That's cute. So look at this. We have this beautiful paper, and look, you guys, she put like real hardware. Oh my gosh, there's a look. This is adorable. Oh wow. And then look at this. It says from Mo at Bead and Bloom Crafts. So that's Monica's handle, and I'll make sure, of course, as usual, I'll link her in the description bar. And oh, she did a magnetic. You guys are so fancy with the magnets are fancy. And look how cute this is. Oh my goodness gracious. And then look at the side. So cute. Okay, so I have to use the lock to open this. It's secret, but thankfully she made this long enough that I don't have to like destroy the package to do it. Turn. Did it open? Did it open? Watch you. Okay, this is watch me struggle. Oh no, it did. It opened easily. Okay, it's just me. It is just me. So I'm gonna leave that in there, and I'm just gonna open this up right for now, and then I'll put it back how I found it. So cute. Okay, so we gotta open this up, and we open our little straps here, and we have her swap. Look at this pretty paper. It's like a brushstroke pink. So cute. Okay, so we have a bunch of goodies in here. So first we have this, which is a tag flip. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Look at this ribbon, is so cute. So she made the tiniest little ticket shaker. And look, it has like a scenery in the background. This is so pretty. And it's on this really pretty rosette with this gold thread. And it says, travel is my therapy. I love that so much. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. And this one says, pack your bags. And look how she gave it a little skirt. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, in the back is decorated. Look, so there's this one, there's clouds on this one. And then here we have this adorable, tiniest passport ever, these two rosettes and a plane. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. She really like took the theme and went with it. And then, oh, we have one of these little pouches and it has a little cute little bead shaker mix here, and it's actually pink underneath here with the washi. So cute. And this eyelet, and she hung a little tassel from there. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then we have another tag that says adventure awaits, and like these are layered up. Like the bottom of this is like burnt. Did she do that herself? I feel like she had to have, because how did it get to be this size? This is so pretty. She has it like layered on top of this tag, and then look at this tiny little this little heart made out of a map. And then this is actually felt, guys, and a wood veneer. So nice. Oh my gosh, I love. Best vacation ever. And look, she hung these from here. This is such a good idea. So she hung these, which we have seen these enamel things. I love them so much. But she hung them from here, and that's such a cute way to like gift things. I'm gonna definitely steal this idea. This is a great idea. This is an excellent idea. And then look at this cutesy heart. It says best vacation ever. And then we have two more of these tiny shakers, and she actually made this tag acetate. And I love how you like in the background of here, it's really pretty and you can still see it because of the kind of like shaker balls that you used. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then this one looks, I was like, are we back to the beginning? It just looks similar to the first one, where again, she has this cute, adorable shaker. Gosh, this was so much work to make, I'm sure. Uh-oh, this little guy. I'll fix that little guy off camera. I'll fix that for you. Okay, and then we have another one here, and she has like these, it's like almost like washi on top of here. Like layered, like this journey is a sticker. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, so good. And then look at the little trim. Look how cute this is. So you have some little gifted trim on here, and this little bow, which is adorable. Okay, let me put this to the side because I want to fix that little tear. I always kind of, if I see something on you guys' stuff, so just don't mind me. I'll fix it. That's just how I am. Greetings from Miami. Is that where she's from? Wait. Oh my gosh, so cute, you guys. Because Monica, is her address on here? No. Okay, thank God. Okay, she covered her bad address. I'm a little bit out of, oh my gosh, so she has Pack Your Bag Swap hosted by me, Monica. So she has YouTube too. I have to go subscribe. Bead and Bloom Crafts. Her birthday is June 22nd. She likes girly chic, cutesy, pastels, earth tones, clean and simple, just like scary horror. Me too, girl. And her address is hidden under here. But look at this. Look how cute this is. And I love that you did greetings from where you're actually from. That is so cute. And I'm actually from South Florida as well. I'm from one stoplight from Miami. I'm from Broward County. So I'm very familiar with where you are at, girl. And then, ooh, she made you the cutest. Oh my gosh, it's blue. So do you guys see that this is like a globe? And look at this tiny little passport. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then you got some of the same stickers as me. I'm glad I opened them. And then in here, let's see if I can open this without causing any damage. In here we have, oh, candy, just like some little mints. I love these, like those like puffed peppermints. And in this cute little box that goes perfectly with the theme. And then we have our bag toppers, which let me open these because they're kind of covering each other up. And I want to show all of the amazingness that Monica made. Okay, you guys, look. Did you color this? I do not color anything. Travel is always a great idea. These are so cute, you guys. Look at this one. She like stitched, and then, oh, you cut it with like pinking shears. What a good idea. It makes it so cute on the ends. Delayed. Oh, I hate when my flight's delayed. This is so cute. These are adorable, guys. Look how cute. I love these. Okay, let me put these back in here safely. safely back in here. These are so, so stinking cute. Okay, wait. Let me put these back in here. That's how they came. Okay, perfect. So they're back. And then, oh, she made 2 of these. These are so cute. Oh my word. I'm a sucker for sprinkles. Real and fake. Look at these cutesy things that she made. Look how cute they are. And she used the travel washi on them and put a little dangle. And look, you can hang them. These are adorable. I really need to make some of these. I feel like I made them like a gajillion years ago. You know, following a tutorial on YouTube. And I know there's like a resurgence of them. And they are so stinking cute. And of course, it is not a travel swap without these motel keychains. Look how cute it again. She has these adorable, super adorable backgrounds here. So cute. And then last, but certainly not least, we have our die cuts, and they look like they are adorable. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see these. They look so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's open up here. Okay, so look. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, wait. They're just too cute. Okay, so look, we have the KS scrap. This is cute. I love this. I love this this sticker right here. So cute. So we have 2 of these, a mom and a baby. And then look at these shaker glasses. Adorable. Oh my gosh. And then we have the little top. Oh my, Monica. Okay, wait. This was you. Okay, I was what? So this is like so random. This is so cute. I wonder if she thought I was gonna notice. So Monica sent me something in my birthday challenge, and it was like the bottom of this yellow polka dot bikini, and here's the top of it. So cute. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, Monica, you're so fun. And then this little thing is so cute. And then look here. I love this texture on here. And look at the little thing, the little flip-flops sticking out. And then we have a hat right here. And then we have another hat right here. And then we have these flip-flops and a globe, a little baby passport. This is cute. I like this die. Uh-oh. This is a little suitcase here. And then the last thing is this little camera. Oh my goodness, how adorable, you guys. Okay, make sure you go and find Miss Monica on YouTube and Instagram. So I will, of course, I will link her YouTube in the description bar like I always do. And then I will have, I will link her YouTube in the title, and then I'll put her Instagram in the description bar. And I will put all of this back. I will fix that little guy off camera. And actually, let me fix that, and then I'll be right back. Actually, you guys, I'm gonna stop here. I'll fix it, then I'll close it up. Oh, I almost forgot about this. No. Okay, so I will fix this, and I'll be right back. Okay, got it put back together. Ooh, I struggled with this lock, so I'm glad I paused. And then she has a bag here for her swap partner. And inside she has this little snack here, potato sticks, yummy. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Okay, so she also has that little travel thing, but look how cute this is. So cute. And this passport is adorable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And then she also included the die. That's so sweet. And then these stickers. Oh my gosh. So you guys, make sure you go and follow Monica on YouTube and on Instagram. And if you want to see some more swaps, I do have the challenge playlist listed in the description bar, so you can just click on that. It'll take you to all the swaps we've done so far. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.